Gonna do virtual today? Dang. Yeah. I know why, man. It's all good. I mean, yeah, maybe you're tired, but maybe you also don't want to lose that Guardian badge again. It's too close. Anyways, I would have done the same, man. Don't you worry. Um, Hold up. Let me finish. All right, I just went live on YouTube. Let me finish setting that up. I get my YouTube chat somewhere out here. Get my activity feed. Man, if I have the performance of my life, I think I'll get Guardian tonight. That's a big if though. And it's unlikely that I'll have the performance of my life. But man, if I do get that Guardian badge, I don't know if I'll be taking any more contests. We'll see. I mean, I'm gonna take a break for a while, I think, but I suppose eventually I'll get back into it. This is all hypothetical because I may never reach Guardian, and I'll just forever be chasing Guardian. Anyways, hopefully that's not the case. I will, man. I hope so. Hey, Boss Gans, what's the deal, man? How you doing? All right, y'all ready? I think it's time to boogie. Almost. Is it time to boogie yet? Nah. Almost, almost. Alright, let's just switch it over now. I guess I'll start with the daily problem. Alright. Let's see. Alternating groups part 2. I already solved it about 6 months ago. Took me 2 tries. There's a circle of red and blue tiles. You're given an array of integers, colors, and an integer k. The color of tile I is represented by colors I. Colors I equals 0 means that the tile is red. 1 means the tile is blue. An alternating group is every k contiguous tiles in the circle with alternating colors. Each tile in the group except the first and last one has a different color from its left and right tiles. Return the number of alternating groups. Note that since colors represents a circle, the first and the last tiles are considered to be next to each other. What are they talking about, man? Alright, I'm looking at example. Example 1, k is equal to 3. Answer is 3. What are they? Number of alternating groups. What's k? Every k contiguous tiles in the circle with alternating colors. I don't know, man. I don't think I understand the question yet. Alright, so we got 0, 1. Alright, zeros are reds, ones are blues. So red, blue, red, blue, red. The answer is 3. Red, blue, red. Blue, red, blue. Wait, what? Okay, so the first and last tiles are considered to be next to each other. Avocado violet, what's happening? Yeah, this is the daily. Okay, so I think I understand. So they want like k equals 3. So is it longest alternating minus k? So if this one has, or something like that, so this one is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 long. And then we can get 3 groups because we just 5 minus k minus 1 or something. Let me test that theory a little bit more. So in this one, longest alternating thing is probably like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 5 is 2. Is that gonna be true always? Let's see, k equal 4. Ty Mora, what's happened? Seeing you after a long time. Yeah, where you been? I've been here, so I don't know if it's me or you, you know. But yeah, I guess people come, people go. What's going on out there, man? Just another day out there, Pixel Pusher. These streets are busy, man. Every day, some sirens going off or something. Time zone difference. Right, right. I know all about that, man. This summer, I'll be in Japan, and I'm not sure if I'll be streaming. Maybe sometimes, because I'm gonna be there for 2 months. But I don't want to promise anything that I'll be streaming over there. But I did promise at least one IRL stream where I'll take everybody with me to go out sightseeing or something like that. We'll see. I don't know. I've never done an IRL stream, so it feels kind of weird to even think about that. Yeah, this summer, mark it down on your calendars, man. Sometime in July or August. I've already bought my tickets, but I don't have anything more, like, I haven't planned much, you know. All right, let me try and solve this. So I'm just gonna be looking for the longest alternating group. And then I'm just gonna minus k or something from it. So I guess we can assume it's 1. How? Wait. I feel like I'm not thinking everything through. Alright, alright, this one is like almost perfectly alternating. What if it was perfectly alternating? Maybe they're telling me in the text and I didn't read it. Wait, so each... What did I say? Each thing has to be a different color except the first and last thing. I don't know what I'm doing, but I guess if it's alternating, then... Alright, I'm gonna just do what I'm doing and see if it works. So... I'll just go from 0. Or should I go from 1? I don't know yet. We used to have to work in Japan. Yes, I'll be taking vacation, but I'll also be working. So I'm taking about 4 weeks vacation, and I'll be working for 4 weeks. And I might do like 1 week working, 1 week vacation, 1 week on, 1 week off, and just do that for 2 months. So I'll be working remotely. So if colors I not equal to, if they're not equal, then increment it, otherwise reset it to 1. This can't be right though. I'm not super confident in this. Does that mean you will need to invert your sleep schedule? Yeah, a little bit, but I think my team is flexible. And I think I might have the option to work in a Swiss time zone instead, because a lot of my teammates are in Zurich. So it might be less of a big gap if I work on Swiss time. Ridge Steel, what's happening? It's me, am I the asshole? What's happening, man? Alright, what the hell's going on here? Checking if they're alternating. So I'm like, I should, oh yeah, it's because it's a circle. How do I deal with a circle, man? How do I deal with the circle thing here? Do I just double it? Sometimes that's nice, is to just double it. Do I play any instrument? Nah, not really. I used to play a little bit of guitar, but it's been so long that I don't think I can say I play a guitar anymore. Alright, what if each tile in the group except the first and last one has a different color from its left and right tiles? Return the number of alternating groups. Okay, I'm just gonna double it, man. Like, how do I do that? Can I do it like that? I still don't think it's right, but I'll submit to see the test case that breaks this. Alright, this is what I suspected. So I guess it can't go as, so if this is larger than the original n, which is colors.size, I'll just return the colors.size. Maybe that might be the last thing I need to do here. No, it's not. It's not. Alright, where did I mess up this time, man? They're talking about... Man, I have a lot of wrong submissions for this daily problem. They're talking about... the answer is 1. No, I'm talking about the answer is 1. They're talking the answer is 2. Oh, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Oh, I see. I see. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. So we don't care about the longest. What we care about is the length of every current thing, every current streak. And if it's bad, then we're gonna do this. We're gonna add the current minus all this junk, but we have to make sure that we're not adding like negative numbers here. Right? Is that what I'm saying? But I also don't want to add more than I guess I don't want to add more than the size either. Yeah. And then I gotta do this one more time at the end, perhaps. There's a lot of redundant if statements in this thing. Oh, geez. Man, can I not do this problem? Is this too hard for me? So, how did I solve this, man? Wait, let me control Z everything that I just did. Or let me just look at my submissions. Not this one. This one. Which test case does this break on? I also want to copy this code. Doubling it is not quite right. Yeah, it seems that's not what I'm supposed to do, Pixel Pusher. Let me think. I'm definitely going wrong somewhere. Alright, so if the whole thing is alternating, then it's just we're returning n, yeah? But there could be there could be like a bunch of other stuff. Think of all the possible subarrays for one of the examples. All right, let's see. What was that? 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Man, there's a lot of subarrays because we can wrap around. How do I deal with the wraparound, man? Normally, to deal with the wraparound, I just double the array like that. And then here, this is it. The answer is 3, because we got 1, 2, 3. That's it. This doesn't count. And then This doesn't count, and then this one is already counted. So how can I? When it wraps around, it has to have a suffix. It can't start randomly in between. When it wraps around, it has to have a suffix. Yes. So you're saying I should just take longest streak. Wait, let me look at a different example. There's one particular example that messed me up. Saddam from YouTube. Hi, what's up? Can you scroll to the problem description? Yeah, I can just link it also. If ABC, wait, for ABC, if K equals 2, it can only wrap with CA. But doubling it, let me see what you're talking about, man. A, B, C, A, B, C. We can only wrap with CA. So you're saying I just append? Oh, is that what you're saying, man? Like, push back the first one, and then now we'll get like everything. So like we don't try and get duplicate things that way. Or am I tripping? Yeah, how far I can wrap? I guess it's like Big Blaster, what's happened? How do you balance health and fitness with work life? I'm not the right person to ask that, man. I don't balance any of that stuff, Big Blaster. I just go with the flow, man. I don't eat healthy. I'm not healthy. I'm not fit. And I don't work that often. So I joke around a lot, man. I'm like very bad with my time management. You quit Google? No, I didn't quit. I still work here. Man, is my brain not able to get questions anymore on LeetCode? So we're not doubling, but maybe we're adding like k-1 things to the end, because that's how many we could potentially go. And then what are we looking for? Are we just looking for the longest, or are we doing that thing where we check not only the longest, but every valid streak? I add this formula, the current streak minus k-1. Maybe that's what we do. Chow Meister, how you doing, man? Is it a bad habit to start using AI versus digging through Stack Overflow? Man, I got the same question for you, because I've been doing a little bit of side project work lately, and sometimes I don't know if I should just chat GPT or AI everything, or actually try and research what's going on. I think you gotta understand what the AI is trying to tell you to do. If you don't know what the hell the AI is saying, then that's not great, because how are you gonna spot any potential bugs? But if you like, if you are already pretty good at whatever you're doing, then AI can speed up your productivity a lot, man. But if you're trying to learn, I think maybe you can use a mix of both. Use AI and then dig in a little bit deeper for the things that you don't really understand, or just kind of double check that the AI is giving you good information. Sometimes it's outdated, man. Vivax 3794, what's happening? Excuse me. Dang. Alright, so I'm just going through. I don't need the longest. I need the current. I suppose this shouldn't go over, but I'll just do this min anyways. And it should be negative. Let's see. Come on, man. There's a meme floating around that's basically says spending 30 minutes debugging the code versus spending 8 hours trying to get AI to write what you want. Yeah. Pretty valid description of how a lot of people use it. Interesting. Dang, wait, what the hell is this 0, man? Oh, I gotta do it after as well. It's working on a front-end framework. Just about to start working on implementing props. What do you mean a front-end framework? Can I build in a React clone or something? Alright, thank you very much, Pixel Pusher, for pushing me towards the solution. Let me see what the hell I did this time. Thanks. So last time I solved it 6 months ago. Looks like I doubled it. And then I did... What the hell did I do, man? I did from the left. Whew. Who knows what this means? I did some funky stuff, man. But it worked. Whatever I did, it worked. And this time seems a little bit more optimized. React's View, not a clone though. I'm making one for Rust. Dang, that sounds intense. Is this like a learning project, or are you trying to like disrupt the market, man? You trying to change the world, or are you trying to learn some things? Or maybe a little bit of both. Alright, what do y'all say? Should we chill? I haven't done any LeetCode all week. Maybe we should do a Leet Rooms or something. Mediums, maybe? Because I'm scared of hards. Have you done alternating groups 1? Probably. Yeah, I've done it. Alright, there's Elite Rooms. Seems like... Let me see what problems we got. Check if there's a valid path in a grid. We got car fleet, bag of tokens, and max consecutive ones. Alright, check if there is a valid path in a grid. You're given an M by N grid. Each cell of grid represents a street. The street of grid IJ can be 1, which means the street is connecting the left and the right cell. 2, which means the street is connecting the upper left and or upper cell and lower cell. Man, this is too much. 3, which means the street's connecting the left and lower cell. 4, which means right and lower. 5 means left and upper, and 6 means right and upper. Dang, Brett came in here, is like, nah, these problems suck. I'm out of here. Brett left after seeing. Yeah, okay, he already did that. Wait, what? Schmacky. Welcome to the party. Alright, so man, this one feels a little bit annoying, but I think I can do it. For sure I can do it, because I already did it. And I did it 1 year ago. This feels like a problem I remember a couple years ago on Advent of Code with some pipes, and you have to like follow the flow or something. Alright, so we just want to check. You will initially start at the street at cell 00. A valid path in the grid is a path that starts from top left to bottom right. The path should only follow the streets. Alright, so I gotta make some, I'm gonna make some directions. Vector, vector, int, dirs. Maybe I'll make it a vector, vector, int, dirs, and then kind of just map the directions. All right, here we go. So 1 is left and right. So what does that mean? That means we go left, which is 0, -1, and right, which is 0, 1. Oops. So this is, this is a 1. A 2 goes upper cell and lower, like up and down. So it's gonna be 1, 0. And -1, 0. And then a 3 is left and down, so that is -1, 0 is down, and 0, -1 is left. So that's 3. And then they want 4, which is down and right. This one is already down, and right would be 0, 1. That's 4. And then 5. 5 is left and up. So up is 1, 0, and left is 0, -1. And then 6 is gonna be up. Wait, what's up? 1, 0 is up, and 0, 1 is right. Alright, so these are all the directions depending on the number that's in the grid. And then now I'm just gonna do a little DFS or something. Let me see if I can implement a DFS. I guess I need like a scene or something. No, if I go to a cell, I will mark it as -1 as scene. Let me look at examples. Or let me look at the constraints. Yeah, I'll just mark it as 0 if I've seen it. So I won't have to create a new grid to mark something as seen. So here's my DFS. Take a row and a column. And then, all right, so first things first, I like to check out of bounds. So that means if r is greater than equal rows or less than 0, that is out of bounds. And then C, same thing. What else am I going to check? I'm also going to check if I've already seen this cell. I don't want to revisit a cell that I've already seen. So if grid RC is equal to 0, that's how I mark my things as seen. I'm just going to return false. And then now, after we pass all these checks in this DFS, then for sure we are at a new unvisited cell. And I'm just going to mark it as seen after I remember the type. So grid RC equals 0. That means seen. So now we want to go in all the directions that that street can take us. So how do we know? Well, we have our little directions map. So I'm gonna go for everything in, I guess I have the -1 because it's 0 indexed. How are we gonna do this? We got our new R is row plus dir 0. There we go. And then wait, there's also one more check, man. If we are in the bottom right cell, so that's row -1, calls -1, I'm gonna say return true because we've reached the bottom right. So here I'm DFSing and new R, new C, and then if this is true, we're just gonna return true. Hope that's right, man. And we start at 0, 0. Is this good enough, man? Should I just send it? Let's see. Oh lordy. I messed up, man. How did I mess up? Can I eyeball my errors? Alright, for case 3, example 3, I'm saying it's true. Because you get stuck at cell 0, 1. Did I mess up? So if it's a 1, it's left, right. How did I mess up, man? 1, oh, snap. I see, I see. The other cell needs to be also a good fit, man. I didn't think about that, and now everything is wrong. So how can I do that? How can I do that easily without doing some types of crazy stuff? So this can tell us the direction that we can head in. But then how do I know? I guess we can do a little bit weird thing where I'm incoming from like one of the up, down, left, or right. And then I just got to make sure that the number in DIRS connects to that incoming thing. Yeah. Previous row, previous column. Maybe I'll do that. This is not super efficient, man, but I'll do it. So if I have my previous row, previous column, then I just make sure that the directions for my current thing can go there, right? So I'll probably start my previous row, previous column as -1 initially. So if it's not -1, that means we've set something, and then I'm basically just gonna do this loop again. So maybe I should make a function for it, but I'm feeling a little bit lazy. Let's call it is good. It's fine. It's a hard problem. We can start dirty. Start dirty. What? All right. So if this is equal to previous row, if they're both equal, that means there's a match, right? Man, I could just make a hash map of which things connect to what. Like from 1, you can go to 3 or 4 or 5, you know, or something like that. But maybe that might be tough too. So I'll just do it this way for now. Let me see if that works. Oh wait, I gotta modify this. What's that? All right, let's see. I still can't do it, man. What the hell is going on here? Where does it go wrong? Previous row. So it skips this check the first time. And then we should end up here. Those directions should line up, right? To 0, 0. Oh, you know. Maybe it's here. Wait, how is this false? Should I do some debugging here? Or should I eyeball it? Whew. 30 minutes left. I've been on this for how long? 15 minutes on this problem. Still haven't been able to solve it. Where is the bug? TV Josh, what's happening? Which problem is this? There it is. I've solved this in the past, you know. I just can't do it now. I guess I could also check it here. No. Let me think. Why could it be failing for this test case here? I feel as though it should follow along. Alright, I gotta do a little bit of debugging. What's it? Grid? What's it called? Grid. I don't got no elite rooms? Dang. Why not? So, what the heck? I don't visit anything it's saying? Because I'm supposed to set those things to 0, you know? Where am I going wrong? Alright, more debugging. Oh, it's not looking good for the contest tonight, man. Alright, so I hit 0, 0. And then I go to 1, 0. And then I don't even do anything because it probably doesn't get past this check here. 1, 0. Is my directions wrong, man? One, 0 is up and right. And that should be a number 6. Number 6 here, up and right. That's right. And that's up. Why is it tripping? Up and right. Yeah. Alright, let me do this. Up and oh. No. This is good, right? New row. From 1, 0. Twice. From 1, 0. I'm going up. Oh, my numbers are wrong, man. Up is -1. Let me double check these dang things. Up and right. 5 is, yeah, this is wrong too. Left and up, -1. Become one with the road. Software tools, welcome to the party, man. I'm not one with the road. I don't even know my directions right now, man. And then here I got this wrong too, so it should be. All right, let me double check all of them. Left and right, up and down. Well, this is actually down and up. Yeah. Left and up. No, that should be down, right? This one is right, and this one is down. And then 5 is up. Wait, left and up, and right and up. Okay, my dang directions were wrong. I think that for sure is the reason. Anyways, man, how lame. Alright, not a very good implementation. Let me see what I did a year ago. Man, I should have done it like this. Because at least it feels like less confusing, you know? Wait, what the hell is all this stuff though? 0, 1, 2, 3? Who knows? Oh, I see. I see. I was trying to figure out which ones I can travel to in there. I did it a little bit differently, but kind of the same. Alright, should I try the next one? Car fleet. Have I submitted anything? I don't remember doing this problem. Here we go. There are n cars at given miles away from the starting mile 0. Wait, what? There are n cars at given miles away from the starting mile 0 traveling to reach the mile target. You're given two integer array, position and speed, both of length n, where position I is the starting mile of the ith car and speed I is the speed of the ith car in miles per hour. A car cannot pass another car, but it can catch up and then travel next to it at the same speed of the slower car. A car fleet is a car or cars driving next to each other. The speed of the car fleet is the minimum speed of any car in the fleet. If a car catches up to a car fleet at the mile target, it will still be considered as part of the car fleet. Return the number of car fleets that will arrive at the destination. I did this so you should be able to? Man, that doesn't mean I should be able to do it, man. So many times people in here can do problems that I can't do. Alright, let me try. So the target is the mile target. The positions are where the car is at, and then the speeds. So I don't even know where to begin. I'll give it some thought though. Easy peasy? Easy pissy? What? Alright, let's look at the explanation. So the answer is 3. The car starting at 10, speed 2, and 8, speed 4, become a fleet, meeting each other at 12. The fleet forms at target. Car starting at 0, speed 1, does not catch up to any other car, so it is a fleet by itself. The cars starting at 5, speed 1, and 3, speed 3, become a fleet, meeting each other at 6. Alright, let me start to draw it out. Maybe an accumulator of states? I don't know what you're talking about, man, but give me a second to think about the problem for myself before you give me any strong hints, please. So these are cars and our speeds. I'm just gonna draw them on a grid and maybe something will pop out to me. Alright, here we go. So they say everything starts at mile 0, or no. They say the target is like mile 12, right? And I'm gonna put the cars in there. So there's a car at 0. I'll just put the number, like their speed. Car at 10. Wait, 0. I'm gonna put them in order. We got 3 at 3. We got 5 at 1. And we got 8, 4 miles per hour. And then we got 10 at 2 miles per hour. Q Ultimus in the house. What's happening, Q? How's that keyboard, man? I hope you enjoy that keyboard, because maybe it's a little bit strange for you using linear switches. Alright, so maybe what I have to do is I have to figure out how long will it take, like, say, some car to reach wherever. So this one will take 1 hour. Car 2. Keyboard is sick, definitely different, but I'm gonna use it for a long time. Yeah, are you using it right now, Q? Nice sketch. Thank you. Did I acknowledge that yet? I don't remember. It's awesome. Thanks for selling it on eBay. Dang. Sold it out so quick, Q. Alright, so this one will take 1 hour. This one is also going to take 1 hour. So they become a fleet, perhaps. And then here, this 1 mile per hour person is going to take 7 hours, man. 7 hours. Is that true? This one is 3 miles per hour. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 3, 12. That's 3 hours. How the hell did they get 3 fleets, man? And this one is 12 hours. Or something, right? Dang, $1 million. Ballin'. Wait, it's 5 and 3? Oh, it's so easy, man. So, yeah, I see how it is. Like, this one doesn't catch up to anybody. This one catches up to that one because it takes 7 hours. So the question is really, like, how many numbers? Wait, let me think. We have to remember, like, some minimum number to the left in order to figure out, like, how many fleets. Yeah. So is this like a man, I see what I have to do, but I don't know how to implement it yet. I have to give it some thoughts. So right now my mind is going towards some type of stack, maybe. Or maybe that's not correct. Maybe monotonic something. Maybe that's also not correct. And it's also thinking about, like, minimum to the left, min to the left type stuff. But I guess we'll figure out what works soon, man. So how can I know that this car is not catching up anybody? That's because maximum to the right, there's 12 is the maximum. This is the slowest car. We're not catching anybody, right? This car is gonna catch this car. So these can mix. So 1, 2, and then this card catches this card, and hold on. I gotta be right back. I gotta use the bathroom real quick. All right, I'm back. Or as I talk about these cars and figuring out the fleets. Yes. Oh, don't defense is here for the type racer. All right, we can do that real quick, and then I'll code up a solution for this. I think I can solve it, man. Have a refund? Yeah. Thank you for reminding me, don't defense. I'll do that for sure. All right, here we go. I'll do that if I can figure it out right now. All right, is Q here for the type racer? All right, what do you want? You want one refund? I could flood the market, man. I swear. How many type racers? All right, look at that. There's their money back. 900 type racers out here. Dang, that's $1 million, right? Because how much is a type racer? 1,500? Dang, we got over $1 million in type racers. Q versus don't defense? Dang, Q is on a new keyboard, man. I don't know. I guess we'll see. Maybe Q is gonna bust out the old keyboard. 1.35 million. All right, Q versus don't defense. Feel like I might be a bit slower. Yeah. I think it's gonna take some time to get used to a new keyboard. Have I done that bet before? All right. How about me versus Q Ultimus? Because don't defense is too fast. Q is faster than me. But maybe with his new keyboard, I'm a bit faster. All right, there's the bet, man. 2 minutes to decide. Don't defense trying to get easy wins out here, man. All right, y'all ready? Oh man, my type racer cam ain't even working right. Whatever. It's all good. I'll just make this a bit smaller. Alright, y'all ready, man? Let me make it type racer. And then I'll do that car fleet problem. Dang, I'm not on the Discord. Here we go. First race is the warm-up. Second race is the championship round. Easy work out here. Dang, 112. Don't defense 119. Pixel Pusher 169. And Simon Lally. Is that Simon Lally from YouTube? With 121 WPMs? Or is that someone else? Dang. Yeah, oh, it is Simon Lally from YouTube. Our very first YouTube type racer champ right there. Alright. Championship round. This is for all the money. Me versus Q Ultimus, but everybody can participate. Let me look at the bet real quick. The bet is closed. And some people think Q's gonna win, but I think I'm gonna win, man. I didn't even see Q up there in the practice round. All right, here we go. Messed up big time. Q Ultimus with the 106. Pixel Pusher 178. And Don't Defense with the 106. Slightly slower than Q Ultimus. Simon Lally with 101. Yeah, Q would have won against Don't Defense. Dang. Q is fast on this new keyboard. Talking about he's not so fast. Well, I guess you're like the same speed. Alright, here we go, here we go. Let me choose that bet outcome. It was, who won that? Q Ultimus won that. And then, dang, Pixel Pusher, how much was that? 178? Or something? 178. Here we go. Pixel Pusher. 178 WPMs. Dang. 62 wins. Can we ban Pixel Pusher? No way, man. Pixel Pusher belongs here. That's like, you know, imagine if LeetCode just banned all you people like Don't Defense and Bet Simps and Numbers, man, you know. We should just get 3K rated. I mean, that's like trying to ban all you people from taking LeetCode contests or saying you can't join my elite rooms because you're too good. It's not happening, man. If anything, Don't Defense, you should try to be learning something from such a great typer like Pixel Pusher. You want somebody like Pixel Pusher in your training camp, you know? You want somebody who can walk the walk to give you some tips, man. But you're trying to push him away, you know? You need to learn from greatness. Anyways. No, you don't? What do you mean, man? What are you talking about? Taurus solves problem Fizzle, you won't understand anything. Yeah, I don't understand anything that Taurus does. But I'm sure he could give me some tips to improve my game. Have you met Taurus? Didn't you say you did some IC/PC stuff or something? I forget. Somebody said that. I forget who it was. All right, car fleet. I think this problem is a mono stack. He came to my university and we hung out in a group. Is he a pretty normal guy? Or not so much? Try a doubles maybe? I don't know. Yes, very normal? Dang, that's strange. I always think people up there like that, they must be a little bit strange. But maybe that's just me coping. I'm trying to do whatever I did here. I'm trying to write a program to do it. So it looks like I need to sort first. Yeah. I need to Alright, I think I see. I need to... What I need to do, man? This is the starting position, and this is the speed. So I need to sort something. Let's... Can I use PID? I'm gonna say pair int. That's the original position, and then I need the time until they finish. So I'm gonna use PID for that. Brian Beta 137, thank you very much for the follow. So I use that. So let me iterate through, and I'm gonna say the ETA is the distance left, which is gonna be target minus position I divided by their speed, right? But I should probably also convert them to a double. One of them, like that. And then this should be a double. And then I'm gonna put this into PI or cars. So we want the original position, and then we also want the ETA. So now I'm going to sort the cars, and then use that stack and try something with this. Wait, I forget what I'm doing, man. Let me try and think of it. Silas TV, welcome to the party. Are you ready? How much time until the contest, man? Because can't be joking around too much here. 48 minutes. 48 minutes. Alright, let me think about this, man. So if I'm here, there's nothing in our stack. So alright, maybe there's, if the stack is empty. No, I don't know what yet. I don't know what yet. Abgod, what's happening? I don't know what you're saying, but maybe something about you're from Brazil. Welcome to the party. 12, and then, alright, this one. So maybe I want to pop. No. Alright, maybe here. I come here, there's something in the stack. And then if I popped anything off, then I increment this answer by 1. So I'm going to pop off anything that's greater than this. Right? And then I put that in there. And now I'm at this one, the 7 hours person. Pop off everything that's greater. There's nothing greater. So it's still answer 1. And I put that 7 there. And I get to the 1 hour person. And I pop off everything that's greater. And that's another group. And then I put that 1 hour in. And then here, pop off everything greater, nothing's there. And then I add the 1, and then at the end, if there's something in a stack, I just add 1 more. I think that's okay to do. Let me implement it and see what's up. So I'm using this stack, I sorted the cars, now I'm iterating over all the things. And what did I say? I'm gonna so if there's something in the stack and the top of the stack is greater than the current thing. Wait, should that be a stack of what? Stack of doubles, yeah. If it's greater than that ETA, maybe there should be a while, actually. All right. And then I guess this will always have something in the stack. So is this right, man? Let me see. Wait. 1 minute type racer video? Oh yeah, my Discord is you gotta pay to play. You gotta pay 6,000 channel points. All right. Dang, I thought I had it, but apparently not, man. Let me try and figure out why this one isn't working. So the target is here at 10. And then we got somebody at position 2 miles per hour, position 0, position 2 at 3 miles per hour, and position 4 at 1 mile per hour. So this will take 6 hours. This will take, 3 miles per hour, 8. That's like 2 point. And this one will take 5 hours. So this 5 hours will meet up with this one. Alright, so clearly I ain't doing something right. So everybody to the left. Smallest to the left. Smallest to the left. Man, I don't know what to do. I feel like I should be able to do this problem for sure. Doesn't feel too crazy. What am I doing? I'm doing something completely wrong. I don't know what I'm doing, man. This is one group. One. All right, so this one is gonna be, this one catches up to this one. This one catches up. They both catch up to this one. It's the first greater to the right. Man, it feels like there's some type of monotonic or are you calculating if pairs hit each other? No, I was trying to do something with a monotonic stack, but I think I implemented my idea wrong. Or I think my idea is just wrong and I have to rethink how to use this stuff. Alright. What I do when I get to these two. So this one, there's a 5 hours, and then maybe I pop off everything that's smaller. And if there's something smaller, then that's a group. But there's nothing smaller, so it's gonna be 5 and 2.66. And here there's two things smaller. So, if it's smaller than, let me think. So alright, if there's something, initially there's nothing, so I put the 12 hours in. And then here, it's 3 hours. I don't know what to do, man. Probably 2 stacks. Reverse. Reverse. You mean like go from the right instead of the left? Let me think. Yeah, it feels like I should definitely have the skills to solve this problem. Like, it's not some technique I'm not familiar with. I just need to figure out how to use all my things. And I really am leaning towards some type of monotonic stack, man. But maybe it's not. Maybe it's like something else. So these are one group. Anything smaller in there? No. Anything smaller in there? No. Anything smaller in there? Yes, these two. Pop them off. That's one group. I put this in. Anything smaller? Alright, maybe I'll try that. So, what am I looking? Stack top. It's smaller than the current, but let me start from n minus 1. And then if we pop something, right? I guess I just did the same thing, and it gives me the same thing, right? So here, I'm looking, so I put the 6 hours in. Anything smaller in there? No. Oh. Interesting, interesting. So then, I see. So if the stack... Hold on. Yeah, maybe I don't push this second one because it's gonna just catch up to that first car. So if there's something in the stack and... Wait, let me think. I guess if there's something in the stack... Alright, only if the stack is empty, then we should push this thing in maybe. Let me see if that works with this. Alright, that worked. That worked. Anyways, I guess the contest is starting soon, so... Maybe... I don't know, I don't feel like to do many problems until then. Should I try more though? Bag of tokens, have I done that one? %59%. Alright, real quick, let me read it. You start with an initial power of power, an initial score of 0, and a bag of tokens given as an integer array tokens, where each token's I denotes the value of a token. Your goal is to maximize the total score by strategically playing these tokens. In one move, you can play an unplayed token in one of the 2 ways, but not both for the same token. What? Oh, one of these 2 ways. Face up. If your current power is at least tokens I, you may play token I, losing tokens I power and gain 1 score. Face down. If your current score is at least 1, you may play token I, gaining tokens I power and losing 1 score. Return the maximum possible score you can achieve after playing any number of tokens. So anytime I see that you got 2 choices and maximum or something, minimum score or something like that, I'm always thinking about take it or leave it, man. So should I try that? Maybe it's not correct though. We'll see. Tokens and here. What did it say with this power stuff? Bag of tokens. No, maybe it's... I don't really understand what they're asking. So we have this much power first. Current power is at least... So if we have and gain 1 score. So I play this one. Reducing, so one score. So what we want to play the higher ones face down and the smaller ones face up. Generally, no. That's not true. Well, yeah. We play the highest one face down to get the most power. And then we try and get as many things as possible. So this one we start off with 200 power. So if we have 600 power, we can get all of this stuff. Anyways, should we start the bet, man? Or what? Think you only need to iterate through the cars once? How many times did I iterate through? I don't even remember, man. Well, twice. And I sorted. Anyways, alright, here we go. Racing goes up or down. Let me see what I am. 2109. And last 2 contests I took, my rating went down. So we'll see, man. Pat's Hello World, what's happening? How you doing, man? Are you taking a contest tonight? Or what? How are you feeling about the contest? Probably not? Dang. Why not? Bobby Blue in the house. What's happening, Bobby Blue? Tired of it, man? Getting sick of LeetCode? Daz Code, how you doing, man? Gray beard, man. I've always had a gray beard. All right. How much time? 30 minutes until the contest. Dang. Yeah, Pat, when's your interview? You got an interview coming up? Who are you interviewing with? Like a month. Where at? Dang. Amazon. You might be alright. I think for sure you'd be alright, right? You don't need to grind. Like, I think your skill level is probably good enough to pass that. Maybe you gotta work on your leadership principles or something. I don't even really know these days. I don't research, like, what you gotta do to pass these interviews anymore, since I'm not really interviewing, you know. Need to work on maxing out? What? Feel like I'm I never feel like I'm grinding enough. AWS is tough. Yeah, I haven't interviewed with AWS or Amazon. Bobby Blue, are you streaming anymore? I haven't seen you on in a while. Or maybe I'm not paying attention because I'm not on Twitch that much. Dang. Almost a month ago was the last time. Man, Real Raymond Jones too hasn't streamed in like a long time. Not tough to get in. It's tough when you're in. Oh, snap. Yeah, I've heard that. Which, I don't know. That's Code. Are you in AWS? I think there might be a few people who've worked at AWS here. One EBS team. What is EBS? Elastic block? Not tough to get in is crazy. Yeah, I don't know how hard it is to pass an Amazon interview, but I remember for a long time everyone would just kind of clown on Amazon for how easy it is to pass their LeetCode stuff. I don't know if it's still the case though. Maybe it's a little bit different in today's environment, you know. I don't even get interview even though pass the online assessment. Dang. Alright, up or down, man? Jeez. My only real LeetCode for AWS was a multi-source BFS question, like rotting oranges, system design, sussy design. Interesting. Oh, shit. Yeah, multi-source BFS is alright. I don't particularly love them, but ain't too crazy. Alright, man. So, I just want to take the contest and get it over with, you know? Dang, look at that. -3, -3. I feel like I have peaked. I've been stagnating around my current rating for many, many months, man. I can't seem to break out of it. Like, I think I'm gonna have to study real hard to get Guardian or something. You'd have gotten Guardian if the age of AI not started? Maybe. Maybe not. Who knows? Like, look at this shit, man. I can't even solve 3 questions in the contest anymore. It's like rare for me to get 3. Hardly get 3 these days. I used to always get at least 3. Rarely would I get 2, but lately it's like 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. You know? Alright, 22 minutes, man. Bobby Blue, do you still take the contest? And Q, are you taking the contest or what? Who's taking the contest here? Everybody? Taking on a Smurf account? Come on, man. Can't be scared. Oh, shit. Kind of tired, man. A little bit tired, but Yeah, if I have a performance like this, I think I'll get the Guardian, man. But if not, it ain't happening. Yeah, Q. I also don't always do too well, but I just take it on my main account all the time, man. I wish I had taken all the contests on my main account and I didn't have this alt account. Because then I could see my progression more naturally, you know? Non-Simon alt, yeah. I made this to take contests while I was working at Google. And I wasn't sure if I was allowed to take the contests. But now I don't care. So I still work at Google, but I don't care if it's on my main account. No, I'm there. I'm there still, man. I am yawning so much. It's not a good sign for me. Alright, how much time? How much time? How much time? 19 minutes. Time to get some coffee? Man, I don't drink coffee. Absolutely no coffee for me. Anyone working on AI apps? Not really. Are you? That's Code, are you working on an AI app? Dang, did I miss the new daily problem? Or no, that was the new daily problem. New library. What type of new features are these? Smart lists? Collaboration? If I leave my current job, I look forward to getting rid of coffee. Wait, what do you mean? You have to drink coffee to work? Q? My current goal is to go off-grid, but with a Starlink connection, I've been thinking of creating an AI app that helps people go off-grid. An AI app that helps people go off-grid? What does that mean, man? What does off-grid mean for you? You mean like an AI app to help build a cabin in the woods and collect solar energy and all that stuff? Or do you mean off-grid like erase your footprint off the internet? Or going off-grid is tough, but you gotta have water and power at minimum. Yeah. Wait, that's Code. You're currently trying to go off-grid right now. Like you live out there in the woods and you're talking about um trying to be completely off-grid? Or you still live in like a populated area but you want to buy a house and turn it into like something off-grid? And how maybe how will the AI help you with the off-grid thing? I mean, I've always wanted to live off-grid too, and I think I don't know if I'll do it though. Feels kind of lonely, but maybe with the internet and stuff, it might be okay, you know. All right, 16 minutes, man. Let me register. Just something to help plan to purchase land, get water rights, plan your food. Interesting. Hey, do you know about... Wait, how long have you been into this off-grid stuff? Like, how long along your journey are you? Like, how close are you to being off-grid? Newbie not started. I see, I see. Just watching videos. Yeah. Sometimes I look on I don't even know, like places to buy land, Zillow or wherever, and I see some mega plots of land for like 100 acres or something, and it costs like 50K or less, you know, or you know, something that I could actually afford. I'm like, dang, should I just go buy a big plot of land and go there every summer and build a mud house or something? Buy some solar panels and put them up there and start living in a tent. Drill a hole. It's also land search, but when you read the details, there's zoning issues, water rights. It's hard to understand for a newbie. Yeah, I guess so. You can build with concrete or wood pretty easily. Yeah, I suppose not all land has water and stuff running. Or like you need to dig a well, but not all land has water under it or something like that. Or maybe you can't even dig a well if you wanted to. I don't really know about these things either, Das Code, but I'm a little bit interested in these types of stuff. Let me see what this land search thing is. Cabins for sale. Off-grid land for sale. Where are we trying to live, man? Alright. Das Code, since you've been doing some research, if we were to build an off-grid community, where would be a good location, man? We need... do we need to live by a river? Is Colorado good? Is Seattle good? It comes down to solar and water. Should we just go live in the mountains in Colorado? 58K. 3 acres. That's not enough. We need like big acres. Dang. Big acres cost big money, apparently. Wyoming? Where are we? Wyoming? 400K. 80 acres. Man, they got water, they got land, they got sun, they got moose or something. I don't even know what that is. Cows. Alright, Das Code. How about here? Let's build it right here, man. Something. Where's that? This is in Wyoming. It's a nice place. Yeah, I'd live there, I guess. Ooh, we get both sides of the river, man. All right, we can all pitch in and we can each get a little section of the land, and we'll just build some mud houses, and we'll meet in the village center to LeetCode. Seems like you gotta have good solar, and people do propane for backup. Yeah, I guess. So we need sunlight. And what do you mean propane for backup? Propane what? I guess that's heating? Or like propane electricity? Like what? How do you generate Electricity, just propane. I don't know what you're talking about though. Can do hydro? I could. I've always wanted to do micro hydroelectric, man. That's like a lifelong dream of mine, is to try and get some of that electricity out of these rivers. During times when there's no soil, you gotta have some source of power. Wait, what is propane power though? I've never... Propane power generator? Is that the way to do it? You mean people just get a generator for backup? Not, or is it specifically propane? Wait, I don't think we are allowed to buy Starlink, man. We gotta buy an alternative, right? Or something. Man, you know, I don't want Starlink. I want fiber. How can we get fiber out here? Do we have to pay Verizon like 100K to come run one tiny fiber line all the way out in the boonies? Is that possible? Like you give them a big money and they'll do like run the cable for you? Because man, I can't live without internet, man. Doesn't that put you on the grid? Alright, I suppose it does put you on the grid. But if it's just internet, I think it's alright. Do I want to be completely off the grid though? I want to be a little bit off the grid. I don't be away from everybody else, but I still want high-speed internet, man. That's the only thing. My brother has like 50 acres in West Virginia, and he's technically still on grid, but he has a waterfall and a lake and all that. Dang, what the hell? How do you get your own waterfall? You said West Virginia? That's what WV stands for? It's crazy. I don't know anything about West Virginia except Country Roads is about West Virginia. It's about 200K just for the land. Sounds like some nice land though. Alright, let me go. Let me see what West Virginia looks like, man. Never actually. Dang, I don't know if I want to live in West Virginia though. Maybe I might pass on West Virginia. Alright, 7 minutes until the contest, man. We can't be joking around. Let me take a look at the bets. Will my racing go up or down? Dang, everybody is saying up. But I think it's going to go down, man. I think Q's going to get back up to $1 million real soon. Should we switch views? Alright, hopefully when I'm typing you can't see my screen too much. Maybe I should get it out the way a little bit like that. Oscar who? Thank you very much, Oscar who.
Good evening, everyone. Just popping into Southern support.
Oh, good evening to you, Oscar who. Let me put you up on the board. Thank you very much. Oscar who? Dang, no condom Chris wants to do a little type racer before we take the contest. What's the KD 200 things? Those are switches, keyboard switches that I just used to build Q's keyboard. Q Ultimus. I just built Q Ultimus a keyboard last week, and those are the switches I put in there. All right, real quick type racer before the contest. Whew. All right, y'all ready? First race warm-up, second race championship round. Gotta get those fingers ready, man. It's gonna be real serious. $124, six-pack sexy, aka no condom Chris. Q Ultimus, 112. Me with the 102. Don't defense, 97. Must have joined late. Clistar, 84. Alright, good thing that was just a warm-up round. Championship round is about to begin. 2 towers. Anyways. Here we go. Are we ready? I'm ready. This is it. Man, that was hard to type. Six-pack sexy, 119. No condom Chris. Q Ultimus, 104. Second place. Don't defense, 101. Clistar, 77. Q giving Q a new keyboard. Nah, it ain't the keyboard. The keyboard actually made him a little bit slower. Think you're just nervous, man. Alright, let me add no condom Chris to type racer leaderboards. 119. Easy money. Contest into UFC? Hopefully. Yeah, I guess so. I don't think the main event is gonna start till like midnight or so. But I'm gonna catch that after, man. But I wanna watch like as much as I can for the UFC thing. Anyways. Let me get this stuff ready. Because contest is about to begin. Real soon. How much time? 1 minute, 1 minute. Can't be joking around. Alright, good luck. Wait. We got time, we got time. We got 1 minute to go, man. There we go. Alright, drink some water, use the bathroom real quick if you can go in less than a minute. But good luck and have fun, everybody. I'll be taking it just like this. I'm not going to be watching chat while I take it, though. Alright. No Column Chris, do you still take LeetCode contests, or do you even do LeetCode anymore, man? Or nah, you're retired. Dang, I want to be like you real soon. Alright, I'll try. Maybe tonight, man. Alright, everybody. Good luck. Have fun. Oh lordy, here we go. Alright, Q1 done. Q2. What the heck? Is there a typo in Q2? Or am I tripping? I'm not gonna do good this contest at all. What the heck is happening? Jeez. Already slow, man, but here I go. I'm about to submit Q2. I don't think it's right, but we'll see. Wrong answer. Oh, man. I think I should just quit LeetCode, man. Shit. 2 wrong answers, man. See my dumb mistake. Man, I've gotten 3 wrong answers on Q2. I don't know what the hell is wrong with me, man. Jesus Christ. Finally got Q2 with so many wrong tries. Dumb bugs, man. But it's alright. to do for Q3. I'm going on to Q4 to see if I have a chance. Because I don't know what to do for Q3. Man. I don't know if I should focus on Q3 or Q4. Man, How's people getting Q3? I can't think of anything. maybe I just take the L and give up. I can't think of anything. No, Conor Chris. No. I'm on Q3, man, but I'm not doing great. Here, let me show my screen. This is where I'm at, man. Q2 got me with lots of wrong attempts. Q3, I don't even know what to do, man. Been thinking about Q3 for a long time. I read Q4. I don't think I can solve Q4 in 24 minutes. But I think I have an idea of how to do Q4. I just don't think I can do it right now. Anyways, that's where I'm at. Maybe I should try Q4 more. But man, so many people are getting Q3. I'm trying Q4, man, in the last 20 minutes. Rexo, what's happening, man? I'm about to lose a lot of elos tonight. Unfortunately. Man, I should have spent time on Q3, Q4, and now I see why it's so hard. Jesus Christ. It's not looking good, man. I'm about to lose about 25 points tonight. Alright, Hail Mary time. Let me just try and think of anything that I can think of. Oh man, Q. Yeah, this contest ain't going well for me either. Oh, lordy. 6 minutes left. Might as well give up, man. No way I can solve this in 5 minutes. Jesus. Which question? Man, Pixel Pusher, I'm on. I only got Q1, Q2, but my Q2 was really slow. Here, I'm officially giving up, man. Here's what it's looking like for me. I might not even stick around to see. I might just dip out right now. We got a big UFC fight tonight. I had so many bugs in my Q2. My Q3, I can't even think of a working solution, man. I mean, Q1 and Q3 is the same question, different constraints. So I guess I have a working solution. It's just not very good. Because it times out. I actually attempted Q4 and then I realized why it's so hard after I coded up a solution that I thought would work. So yeah, that's it. I'm out of here, man. Let me go see somebody. Yeah, let's go raid Chi-Chi, man. Chi-Chi probably got all of them except Q4. Well, maybe Chi-Chi can tell us about Q3. Anyways, I'm out of here, man. Did I start raid? Yeah. See you later, everybody. Well, I guess I can choose the outcome for the bet real quick because I don't even need to see. I know my elo is gonna go down. So, dang, Q Ultimus, no column Chris, easy money, easy money. $17K, $16K, very nice. Anyways, that's it. See you later. Are we rating? Am I rating right now? Oh, Simon Lally from YouTube. See you later. Pixel Pusher. Adios. That's code Elite Whale. Q Ultimus. Adios, amigos. Hopefully we'll do good next week. I might take the double contest next week, man. Contest ends in... Nah, I'm not sticking around. I gotta go watch UFC, and I'm not feeling too great, man. Poor performance. Anyways, adios.